Hi, in this video tutorial I will talk about how we can make the study area map. So first we will open the ArcMap, then we will add the data uh, which will support our study area map. My data is in E data, then I will go to vector here, Ethio. So to create the study area map, if my study area is Adigrath, and how can I make a map to show the Adigrath town? So I need the data is uh, Ethio, the map of the regions, different regions. Then I have the map at this second level. So you can see here, this is here. So if you want to create a feature with selected option, you will select Tigray. The feature you have selected, you will right click here, go to selection and click on create layer from selected features. Create layer from selected features. So the feature which is selected is Tigray. Tigray will be created. A new feature will be created. I will click here. Theo1 selection will appear and we can change the name Tigray here. Okay, unselect. So next I have to do is I want the Eastern Tigray, because Adigrath belongs to Eastern Tigray here. I will select Eastern Tigray. In the same way I will extract it. I will go to selection and create layer from selected feature. Again this is ETS2 selection. I will write it Eastern Tigray. And the next thing is I want the latitude and longitude of Adigrath, which uh, we will see. To know the latitude longitude of Adigrath, we can take the help of Google Earth also. Okay, yes. Okay, I think it may not be appear, maybe, or because it takes the data in its memory. Here, file. Okay, better to proceed to here. Okay, the latitude and longitude of Adigrath we can take from different sources. Okay, here also we can see the preview, and in the description here we can see this is 3914 east and south. Okay, we will use here, this belongs to Adigrath. Okay, 14th, and longitude we can write this. Okay, so I have taken Eastern Tigray. This Ethio2 is not required now. I can remove it. Then this is the Tigray, and here this is the Ethiopia. So what I need is I will take this data into three data frame. The first is already there. Second will be to show the Tigray, and the third will be to show the Eastern Tigray. After divide, then now I will go to the layout view, and now I will make three separate frames. This is one. Okay, this may be the second. Okay, and this may be the third. I think it will be better if I am changing the layout. I mean orientation of layout. I will go to the file, then I will go to page and print setup. Then right now orientation is like this. You can change to the landscape. Okay, here this is Eastern Tigray. We can make like this, and once you done, right click, zoom to layer, it will appear like this here. This means the map covering the whole Ethiopia. So one thing which you should notice is if you will select this, so the data frame will be highlighted here like this, it will be bold. If you will click here, you will select this frame, then new data frame 2 will be highlighted, it will be active. Now you can do some, but you cannot do anything with this layer unless it is not selected. So this is selected here, and this is Ethio1. I will right click Ethio1 and zoom to layer. I will make it hollow, and I will highlight the Tigray only like this. I will reset the frame to show the Tigray region. I will zoom to layer the Tigray region like this, and in Tigray region it will be better to show the Eastern Tigray here like this. Eastern Tigray is here. Okay, now you know that there should be scale, there should be heading, there should be north. To insert all these map elements, I will choose first Ethiopia. I will go to insert the, I can give the text, or you can give the title also, but here I will give text so I can copy paste to other frames also. Double click text, and here you can say, or you can write, I mean you can write Ethiopia. change the size of the font, you will click here change symbol. I will do it for thin, make it bold if it is required here. Okay, here you can give the name of the regions also. Right click, go to property, go to labels, check this box and click at name one. Let's see the size at 8. Okay, you can make it 10, I think. Okay, then insert the north. And one thing, remember, if you are giving the scale for this frame, the frame should be selected. If you like this, it should be selected like this. So now go to insert, otherwise you cannot take this scale to another frame. Sometimes this type of mistakes are there. You will select this frame, go to insert, then go to scale bar. You can choose anyone. Okay, I'm choosing this. Going to properties, then division units, I will take the kilometers here. Apply. Okay, okay. So I cannot take this scale here, I will take it here. Be careful for that. Next, to give the scale to Tigray region, I will select first. I will go to insert, then scale bar, property, miles, I will make it kilometer. Okay, 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 I will make it short. To give the name here, I will make some space and I can click this heading, copy, and then right click, paste it. I will drag it here. So this is the Tigray region, and in Tigray region here, this is Eastern Tigray zone. Make it apply, do it okay. So now I have done it, so I need to move Tigray. Okay, now you can give north, just like this. You can do it here. Then we have to write here, and since I have to give the grids also, and if you are giving the grids, it is better to give the map elements outside the frame. You can resize your frame. Okay, then you can make it zoom to layer. Actually here, this is Eastern Tigray, my study area is Adigrat, so I have to make a point, the point which can show the location of Adigrat in the Eastern Tigray. And here also, this is Tigray, Eastern Tigray, I should label them right click, property, label features. In this layer, name one, apply. This is Tigray. Here I can write Eastern Tigray, or I can give the label Eastern Tigray. Here it will be named too. Make it 10, apply, okay. If you want, you can make it hollow Tigray. Okay. Then I will mark a point here showing the Adigrad location. For that you can click, go to XY here. The longitude we can take from here, or I have copied here, is this. And latitude is 14.27. Then just you can flash it, but you can see this time that the frame which is selected is this, and I have to create or mark the Adigrad in this frame, the frame of Eastern Tigray, right hand side. So first this frame should be selected. Then again I can give, this is my latitude here, and this is my longitude here. Then you can make a flash. So this is the location where Adigrad is in Eastern Tigray. Okay. Now what I will do, I can add a point. Okay. And okay, just have a look, make it hollow. And this, what about this here? Okay. And add callout. Okay. I think it should not be at layout here. We can make it to data view, and in the data view we can mark a point here, and we can add a callout. And when you will click this with this tool, select element, you can make it like this, double click, and you can write here Adigrad. Make it apply, do it okay, and again you can take the data in layout view. Then this is the location of Adigrad in Eastern Tigray zone. I can make it copy, and I can make it paste, and I will write here Eastern Tigray zone. Here I can write Adigrad. Yeah. For this frame, we can take the scale bar, go to property, I will make it kilometer, apply, okay, okay. And Now what I need is I have to show the grids for this frame. So select this frame. I do not need this tool. I will make it close. Select, right click, properties, grid. New grid. Next I will tick mark and label only. Here this is 1 degree, 10 minute, second. So this is too large for a digraph or for Eastern digraph. I will make it 0, and this we can make the 10 minutes. Okay, let's see. Then next, finish it, apply. Yeah, this is perfect. Now you can see here, if you want to change the style, so many things you can do with the tools. You will go to the style and you can check the properties, and you can give whatever you like. At present this is here. So okay, I will go to properties and labels. These left right, I will change the orientation, left and right. This is left and this is right. Make it okay, apply. Okay, the orientation is changed. Now almost everything is done here. We can make this, we can take this north to this here. Okay, then finally we can export it as a map file, export map, and here it will be better if you are giving 300, because you know, in some of the research, most of the research paper, they ask the images should be 300 dpi, so make it 300 dpi. Desktop I am giving here, this is by the name of study area. I will save it. Now your map is here by the name of study area, and this map, okay, scale is correct, you can import. Study area, you can resize. Remember, if you resize the map, you should resize by, if you double click and change the height, this is the best option. We should not change the map by dragging from left, right or up and down, not like this. If you will do this, then the shape and size will be changed. This will not be the correct representation, so make it back. Yeah, this is the correct one. So, or you can change from the corners like this. Again, you can if you want, if you are interested for border, you can click and you can picture border, then go to width and you can give a border here. If you want to give some additional, if you forgot at the time of ArcMap and you have closed the document without saving it, then you can right click, open with paint, and then you can give, if anything, I mean you should not give anything inside the frames, but here outside you can give, like oh, it takes some okay, but it will be done, it takes time here. Okay, 16 size, oh, 16 is small, 26, okay, figure 1, you can select and you can make it 36 or even more than 36, 40. Okay, then you can save it, close it. Then if you will take it again, you can see the figure 1 is given here. Okay, and you can make it and you can do your work. So this was all about how we can make the study area maps. And this layout is toolset is giving us the tools which we can use in the data frame functionalities. Like if your data frame is like this, you can zoom out. Remember, these tools are used to work on layout, but if you are resizing the features, then you have to select here, then you have to use these tools like this. You cannot zoom out or zoom in with these tools here. You can zoom in, zoom out the whole layout, not the features. If you wanna zoom in and zoom out the features, then you should use these tools here. Here you can make it full extent like this. So this is here the full extent because this is the part of the we can say the Ethiopia, so it is better to make it full extent from here. Right click, then zoom to layer. Okay, so this is for this tutorial how we can work with layout, and finally file and export map. It's enough for this lecture. Thanks for listening. We'll meet another lecture. Thank you so much.